Okay, we begin to connect the black monitor. Okay, connect the doorbell to the door one. Connect the power supply. You will see the doorbell is light on, and then the monitor is light on. We need to wait about 5 minutes or 5 seconds. You will see here the one LED power, okay, and you will hear the beep. Okay, now the monitor is ready. We test it. Okay, we can see the video. Now the monitor and the doorbell is good and works. If we want to reset the monitor, we press the hand up button, and until you will hear a sound. Okay. Now the monitor is reboot, and it will clear all the settings, including the Wi-Fi network setting. Okay. We wait some time. Okay. You will hear the power LED is light on. Okay, he is finishing the reset process. Now, if you want to connect the Wi-Fi network, you can press and hold this top button. Okay, we try. Okay, you will hear the big sound, and then this monitor will restart. Okay, you see the power LED is off. It indicates the monitor is restart. Now the power LED is on, and you will hear beep, and then the power LED is always blinking. Now the monitor is enter the AP mode, and he is ready for waiting for you connect the Wi-Fi network to it. If you don't configure the network to it, and it will restart again after about 10 minutes. Okay.